is we'll go to supermarket. So we want to buy some groceries for home and also some ingredients for make oden, because I'm so craving to eat oden. Okay, let's start and let's go. When COVID-19 hit the world, and we all also affected by this virus of the COVID-19 pandemic,